l'expansion rapide de l'UFC au cours de sa brève histoire. Voit le chef de file mondial des arts martiaux mixtes voyager dans plus de 100 villes, dans 22 pays partout au monde. L'UFC 221 à Perth permettra d'ajouter une nouvelle ville à cette longue liste. Le début de l'organisation en Australie-Occidentale mettra en vedette un combat par intérim entre deux des meilleurs poids moyens. L'ancien champion Luke Rockhold affrontera le grand lutteur olympique cubain Yoel Romero, qui refuse de ralentir avant d'avoir une ceinture de l'UFC autour de la taille.
De que tus fuerzas fallezcan y dejes de respirar. Tú puedes lograrlo. Y es lo que voy a hacer en esta pelea.
In out, in out, in out, in out. Set up, throw the left.
This is about fighting the best in the world.
This is both. You could be quick, you gotta be able to concentrate, you gotta make good decisions when you're tired.
I'm gonna put them to the test and I'm gonna break them.
This is where you grind people out. Good, good, good.
The power that Mark Hunt can generate with his punches is something extraordinary.
Le combat de demi-finale mettra aux prises le meilleur poids lourd à avoir représenté l'Australie et la Nouvelle-Zélande. Le puissant expert en KO, Mark Hunt.
Excellent precision.
L'ancien aspirant au titre de l'UFC accueillera un adversaire imposant dans sa patrie.
Man, look how strong this guy is. He's a big man.
Le poids lourd du top 10, Curtis Blades.
If Curtis thinks he can stand with me, I think he's a lot smarter than that. I can knock out anyone in the universe.
Blades is a young, exciting heavyweight. Let's go, Curtis. Come on, baby.
Nice.
He's a big me, scary dude, but I'm not scared. I can hang with anyone.
What is going to happen when these guys go after it?
Avant que les ceintures, les héritages et les rêves de combat ne soient à l'enjeu,
A la gente de Miami, vamos changanea.
voyez 4 des meilleurs combattants au monde se préparer à se battre à Perth. Voici le décompte de l'UFC 221.
It has been fascinating watching the journey of this young man. You can tell this kid is on another level. Oh, he caught him with that left. Man, beautiful left hand.
En juillet 2017,
Oh, big left for Romero.
l'Australie obtient son premier champion de l'UFC.
Outstanding groundwork from Whittaker down the stretch.
Quand le poids moyen Robert Whittaker remporte le titre
Robert, the Reaper.
en battant Yoel Romero dans un combat de 5 rounds âprement disputé. Whittaker organise ensuite la première défense de son titre contre l'un des meilleurs combattants de 185 livres de l'histoire. L'ancien champion des poids moyens Luke Rockhold, qui est sur le chemin de la rédemption depuis la perte de sa ceinture en juin 2016.
And we have a new middleweight champion.
I've had a lot of time to think and to grow. I've been able to train and improve and just mentally understand what it takes to be a champion. I don't think I was ready at that point in my career, and I am now.
Rockhold a retrouvé sa concentration en déménageant en permanence en Floride du Sud. Ici, le Californien d'origine n'a pas de distraction. Il est prêt à retrouver la forme, lui ayant permis d'obtenir de nombreux titres en arts martiaux mixtes.
It's about being the best. That's what I'm here for. I don't live to be second best. I'm here to be the top dog. I'm here to compete against the best guys in the world and challenge myself. People have short memories in this sport. I'm about to get reminded who I am and where I've come from, and what I'm capable of.
Rockhold entre dans l'UFC comme champion de Strikeforce, mais il brille encore plus dans l'octogone.
Oh, liver kick, that'll do it! Wow, beautiful scramble there. Rockhold on top. Rockhold may get a triangle from the bottom. Oh, and this is a bad spot. Finish all over! Luke Rockhold! Beautiful. Oh, and a head kick. Bisping's down. Head kick. Luke Rockhold with a one-arm mounted guillotine. Luke Rockhold is battering Lyoto Machida. Machida here. Rockhold has his back, and he may very well finish him here.
Rockhold finishes Lyoto Machida.
3 victoires par soumission en une année civile font de Rockhold l'aspirant évident pour le champion alors invaincu, Chris Weidman.
Big ground and pound on Weidman. Hurting all over the action.
Weidman is absolutely getting destroyed here.
Rockhold continuing to punish Weidman.
That's it.
It is all over.
Même s'il ne réussit pas à défendre sa ceinture dans son combat suivant contre Michael Bisping, il ne s'agit que d'un obstacle dans son retour vers la gloire. Entrepris dans son dernier combat contre David Branch.
Good evening to you from the Steel City, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, USA. Tonight, Rockhold looks to prove that he is still the best. But looking to make a similar claim, entered Brownsville's own David Branch.
Branch est 2 fois champion en arts martiaux mixtes et vient de remporter 11 victoires de suite.
I got a wild guy coming out there with something to prove and try to take my spot.
You ready, sir? Let's go fight. Massive, massive middleweight fight here.
The guy came guns blazing, trying to, catch a lucky shot, and he up.
A useful takedown and a seamless transition to the mount for the former champion.
This is a terrible spot for Branch right here. Double hooks, terrible. He can't move.
Rockhold continues to make these strikes count.
He's trying, but Rockhold's just got perfect position.
There it is. So Luke Rockhold returns and stunts David Branch in round 2.
I might take a loss, but I don't give up. In the end, I'm always going to come back, and I'm always going to be on top.
Un retour à la forme permet à Rockhold d'obtenir un combat contre le champion des poids moyens, Robert Whittaker. À l'UFC 221, à Perth, en Australie. Mais alors que Rockhold est sur le point de terminer son camp d'entraînement, il apprend que son combat pour le titre incontesté devra attendre.
UFC 221 did get a makeover. Middleweight champion Robert Whittaker is injured and is out of the championship bout with Luke Rockhold. So Olympic wrestler Yoel Romero is stepping up to face Rockhold for the interim title.
Preparado, listo, tiempo. Vamos a exigirle, vamos a buscarlo.
Le nouvel adversaire de Rockhold habite un peu au sud de Miami. Il est aussi le numéro 1 au classement des poids moyens, sa seule défaite dans l'UFC ayant été encaissée lors du combat pour le titre en juillet 2017 contre Whittaker. Échoué à sa première tentative pour s'emparer de la ceinture, n'a toutefois pas ébranlé la détermination ou le désir du lutteur olympique.
No puedes nunca rendirte.
5 segundos.
Continúa luchando y sigue luchando hasta el día que dejes de respirar. Creo que la lucha me fortaleció mucho en lo que es el espíritu aguerrido. Pues esto ayuda mucho a que tú seas perseverante en cuanto a tu meta, en cuanto a tus sueños.
Le parcours de Romero vers son premier combat pour le titre de l'UFC est spectaculaire.
Wow. Yoel Romero, the winner in his UFC debut.
It's very unusual watching him move. I don't think there's a single guy in the UFC that moves the way he does. Oh, left hand by Romero right on the button.
Le champion du monde de lutte réussit des KO destructeurs.
Man alive, Yoel Romero has done it again.
Et des projections inarrêtables.
When he gets a hold of you, it's like your gravity goes away.
Aux dépens des meilleurs poids moyens au monde.
And look at him, ragdoll them to the ground.
Les aspirants étant dévastés.
Oh, huge elbows!
Just a bundle of fast-twitch muscle fiber. Oh, we got caught with a spinning back fist. Yeah, he's the freak of freaks.
Les anciens champions sont les suivants à goûter à la puissance de Romero.
Unbelievable wrestling background for Romero, yet 9 of his 11 career victories have come by knockout. Dangerous at every moment.
Oh! Flying knee, he knocked him out. That's it, this fight's over. Wow.
Romero reste longtemps classé au 5e rang. Les combats pour le titre sont maintenant devenus la norme.
En el punto de mi carrera donde yo estoy, Ya lo que queda es eso, cinturón.
Oh, another left hand for Romero.
Y es por el sentido por el cual estoy luchando.
Vamos, lo fuimos, caballero. Tiene que estar ahí el otro. Vamos, rápido.
Le parcours de Romero vers un combat revanche contre Whittaker commence maintenant par la conquête du titre par intérim avec une victoire contre Luke Rockhold à l'UFC 221. Pour Romero, la voie vers la victoire à Perth, en Australie, est évidente.
Dejar mi alma ahí. Ese es mi camino. Luego, deja tu alma ahí, que yo voy a dejar la mía.
Middleweight championship on the line. Rockhold continuing to punish Weidman.
Oh, man. This is a terrible position. That's it. That's it. We got a new champion.
L'ancien champion des 185 livres, Luke Rockhold, est d'abord un produit de la American Kickboxing Academy à San Jose, en Californie. Les principaux partenaires de l'équipe étant toutefois blessés, Rockhold passe son dernier camp d'entraînement en Floride du Sud avec l'entraîneur de coups portés, Henry Hooft. Il est maintenant de retour en prévision de son combat pour le titre par intérim à l'UFC 221 contre Yoel Romero. Et il prévoit y rester indéfiniment.
When somebody comes from another place, everybody always think, oh, he left the gym because it wasn't good. That was not the case at all. The fighters need to think about themselves, you know? That's what it's all about, and he feels good here. At this moment, we have the right people to train with him. It's always a risk when you start something new, but it all work out, you know? We'll see. Get that belt back.
Les entraînements au centre de Hooft à Fort Lauderdale se déroulent avec l'excellent lutteur de Virginie-Occidentale, Greg Jones.
Good, just hustle. Just hustle. It's okay if you get to your lane. Let's hustle and make it right.
Ancien membre de l'équipe des Black Zillions, maintenant dissoute, et de l'entraîneur de longue date d'arts martiaux mixtes, Kami Barzini.
Good work, good work, good work, good work, good work. One more, get on him.
Qui a auparavant passé des années au sein de la American Top Team à Coconut Creek.
We never planned on doing this together, but it just happened when an opportunity presented itself, and it's been great.
We have a great group of fighters. We have an excellent group of coaches.
Vicente and Luke, Jordan Vulcan, Adam and Shamil.
There's not a lot of...
Start moving, let's go.
We show up, we train, and we fight.
Let's go to work. Look to finish now. Look to finish.
I've never been one to live in my comfort zone, and I was getting too comfortable back home.
Hey, shadow box, by yourself, no partner. Shadow, let's go. Punch, kick, level change, knees, elbows, defend the shot.
I was losing that hunger.
Just gonna go, set, go. About 75%. Find a way to get on top. Work. Find a way. Find a way. Good, and bounce up. And this one's live when you hit the floor. And we're live. Wrestle Vicente.
Come on, Vicente, don't sit there.
Look, you got 20 seconds. You gotta stay on top. 20 seconds. Come on, Vicente.
Go, Luke. Go, Luke. Go, Luke.
15.
Don't lose him. Don't lose him.
Every fighter we have in here is aspiring to reach their full potential.
Every round, every fight. Finish right here. Here we go. Set, go.
Stay on top. Stay on top.
Short time. Front headlock.
And for a guy like Rockhold, his full potential is to be the UFC champion.
And Luke to Henry. 30 seconds here, Luke.
Good feet. Stay sharp here. So he's just right where he belongs, and we're just going to do our job and do the best we can to get him ready.
On your back, let's go. Yeah. Go. Drive. Right here, hard, right here. Get out, yes. Drive.
Une fois l'entraînement terminé, Rockhold et l'entraîneur Hooft rentrent à la maison, au même immeuble luxueux.
Henry, you want the whiskey? I know you like it.
Yeah.
Où leur collaboration se poursuit.
You just walk downstairs, you talk about something. Oh, I see you downstairs. Or you go up in the pool. And that's not planned. Sometimes I went upstairs and he's at the pool. And this is cool, man. Why not? I mean, if you're in the same place, you're close by the people that you really like, why not?
The guys get along with us great, and I think that's the advantage, you know. And hopefully we build onto it. We're going to do some great things together.
Change is what life's all about. You have to grow and learn and expand your horizons. I think everything happens for a reason. And there's a reason why I'm here, and there's a reason why I'm fighting for the title, and the reason why I'm going to kick ass and take this thing home.
L'adversaire de Rockhold à l'UFC 221, Yoel Romero, s'entraîne au centre cubain de Miami, qui lui rappelle sa patrie des Caraïbes, où il menait une meilleure vie que la plupart de ses compatriotes grâce à ses succès en lutte.
Vivo orgulloso de ser pinareño y de ser cubano. Representé a mi país en los Juegos Mundiales, Juegos Olímpicos, Campeonatos Panamericanos, Campeonatos Centroamericanos, Copas del Mundo. Y entonces esto te hace vivir de algunos gozos. O sea, mi vida era una vida bastante buena en Cuba.
Tant à l'échelle panaméricaine qu'internationale, Romero obtient une médaille presque à toutes ses compétitions. Tout en s'entraînant pour les Jeux olympiques, il est reconnu par un pionnier des sports cubains. L'entraîneur-chef des équipes nationales de taekwondo et de karaté, Pedro Le.
Entrenamos en el mismo centro de entrenamiento, de alto rendimiento. El taekwondo, el equipo nacional masculino, entra y sale. Fin de campeonismo. Ahí su optimismo de que era un peleador de lucha. Ya no sabe. Totalmente fuera de lo normal. Y se ha hecho una gran fusión en el trabajo de las artes marciales.
A lot of people like to say that Yoel's wild and he leaves himself open, but he studies his opponents. He kind of measures tendencies and sees where they go, and as soon as they get the slightest bit lazy or sloppy...
And Yoel just relaxed and patient. It's very deceptive watching him move.
That's when he'll see a hole and he'll explode it.
You never know when it's coming. There's the left hand, and he ragdolls him to the ground again. My God.
Most of the time, the opponents end up going to the hospital.
Flying knee, he knocked him out. It makes you hesitate. He who hesitates is lost in MMA.
Vamos, 20.
Pour le combat à court préavis contre Rockhold, l'équipe se concentre pour que Romero atteigne son sommet sur le plan physique. Afin de battre un ancien champion.
Continúa. Vete, vamos. El trabajo que hemos hecho fundamentalmente no es en la parte técnica. Va a ser diferentes actividades totalmente de fuerza explosiva y resistencia a esta característica. ¡Vamos! ¡Vamos que todo el tipo, vamos! ¡Vamos que todo el tipo, vamos! Entregando completo y está muy enfocado en esa pelea. ¡Ay, duda, pero tiene que ser duda en la cabeza! Su fuerza es impecable y las características propias de él, de deseo, lo hacen insuperable. Mira ese ritmo después de la carga. Vamos. Relajadito, ahí vamos.
Le poids moyen de l'UFC, Luke Rockhold, poursuit son camp d'entraînement en Floride du Sud. Il peut ainsi consulter les experts des sciences du sport de XPE qui entraînent les meilleurs athlètes de la NFL et de la NBA.
Okay, so now let's just go here. Okay, all I want to do is drop here. I'm in my base, I drop right to base, drop, come right back to base, okay? Don't let the feet come together.
Mais selon Tony Villani,
low, base.
Les combattants ont besoin de plus d'attention que les autres athlètes.
UFC fighters have it tougher than any other athlete in the world. Good. Someone's like Luke and they get to the top and you're fighting the best striker in the world 1 week. 3 months later, you're fighting the best grappler in the world. Quickness in the middle, outside foot. Quickness in the middle, outside foot. One more time back. He can really push the pace on people. So what we're trying to work with him is, can he stay athletic when his pace is pushed and he's not fresh? Let's go. 20 calories, good here. You're gonna blast through that and then we'll hit a footwork drill. Okay, you ready? Whenever you start, I start my watch. 20 good calories. Good, come on over here, Luke. And out, and out, and out, and out. Set up, throw the left, now the right. Come on, legs. Excellent. Match that. Boom, boom. Athletic, right there, low and athletic. Yes. Good, good. 20 calories. There you go. Good job, Luke. Anaerobic power and endurance, bud. That's it. Come on, let's go. Legs are dead. Let's try to match quickness. There you go. You stayed with him. Stayed with him. Hit 20 calories on the bike. This is where you grind people out. Good, good, good. Excellent. Good. Here he comes, Mark.
Working with XP has been great.
All right, ready? It's going to start. Right red, green left.
They're very sport specific and they understand what it takes.
This is both. You could be quick, you got to be able to concentrate, you got to make good decisions when you're tired.
Everything complements what I'm doing more so than any other training I've done outside the martial arts realm.
Be quicker as it goes. Snap them, snap, snap, snap. You can fire quick when you're dead. Let the other guy die when they get tired, right?
Hit it, hit it, hit it. There you go. Okay, make him defend the takedown. Go. There you go. Good. He grinds and breaks people that are unbreakable. I mean, he breaks Machida.
Oh! Leona's in big trouble. Unbelievable punishment dished out by Luke Rockhold.
He broke Weidman.
Oh, my God. Weidman is absolutely getting destroyed here.
Get it to 55. Ground it out for 30 calories. Come on. There you go. Defend the takedown. Good. That's it. I know he's fighting a powerful guy.
Shuffle, shuffle.
But that's how I see this fight going.
Get that low.
I'm gonna take his will, I'm gonna take his heart.
Push, push.
I'm gonna put him away.
Good job, bud.
Professional status.
L'adversaire de Rockhold, Yoel Romero, est tout prêt, à Miami.
What's buddy?
Dans sa carrière en lutte et dans les arts martiaux mixtes, Romero s'est entraîné partout au monde, de sa ville natale de Pinar del Rio à Cuba, à Nuremberg, en Allemagne. Il se considère maintenant chez lui, en Floride du Sud.
Cada lugar, cada sitio, cada país tiene una idiosincrasia y tiene un don, tiene una gracia. Cámara, estoy loco, hombre. Si lo que estoy loco, vime por la casa, hombre. He disfrutado de esas culturas donde me han enriquecido mi ámbito y mi forma de pensar, mi forma de vivir. La emoción es que le voy a dar, mediante mí, le voy a dar la satisfacción a Cuba, a Miami, a Pinar del Río, a Alemania, a Nuremberg, a mi familia, a mi gente, tú sabes, de tener a alguien de la casa campeón de UFC. Ok, hablar un poco de mierda. ¿Cuál es esto, loco? Bye, guys.
Pour ce combat pour le titre par intérim contre Luke Rockhold, Romero apporte son expérience de championnat acquise lors de son dernier combat.
Hola, ¿cómo está la cosa?
Un combat pour la ceinture tenu en 2017 contre Robert Whittaker.
Toda mi carrera he aprendido que todos los días se aprende. Y aprendí mucho después de la pelea con Robert Whittaker. Se cometió un mistake que quedó para la historia, como digo. Y aprendimos de ese error. Que cuando se está ganando, ve y destruye. No des chance, no des más a que el oponente respire.
Les possibilités de rédemption sont rares et une occasion de s'améliorer grâce aux leçons apprises lors d'un combat de championnat de l'UFC est unique. Yoel Romero et l'ancien champion Luke Rockhold ont cette occasion à l'UFC 221.
This means everything. There's never been a better meet than there is now. I'm coming to take my spot.
Nice, keep working, keep busy. If he says no, you keep working.
La gente quiere ver lo mejor. Y aquí estamos nosotros.
C'est numéro 1 contre numéro 2 pour le titre par intérim des poids moyens, dans un affrontement de style qui va illuminer le Perth Arena le jour du combat.
Yo solamente voy aquí y que Dios disponga. No soy un soldado, como siempre he dicho, soy un soldado más y voy a dar lo mejor de mí en cada combate.
Ahí, ahora sí, ese es el que me gusta. Vamos.
Lightning fast, explosive power.
I have the technique to beat him everywhere in this fight. I want to be one step ahead. Start putting him in bad positions where he doesn't want to be.
Oh, and a head kick. Big head kick. Oh!
Then I'm going to start pounding on him. And I'll take his soul.
Luke Rockhold is back on the greatest proven ground in mixed martial arts.
La demi-finale de l'UFC 221 mettra en vedette un des poids lourds les plus légendaires d'Australie et de Nouvelle-Zélande. Alors que Mark Hunt accueille un Américain en pleine ascension.
6'4", 260 pounds, and just a stud of an athlete.
Le combattant de 26 ans, Curtis Blaydes, goûte pour la première fois l'entraînement de haut niveau des arts martiaux mixtes quand le champion des poids lourds, Stipe Miocic, l'invite à Cleveland, en Ohio, pour son camp, avant même que Blaydes se soit battu chez les professionnels.
Originally, when my manager told me, I was extremely shocked. I didn't even think he knew who the hell I was, but he needed a wrestler for Gonzaga. He wanted to defend takedowns, and I was the best look he could get.
Step around him. Step around him so you're not on the fence. There you go.
I saw the other guys he had, like, no disrespect, but I'm better than they are. Like, even at that point, I was better than they are.
À sa dernière année au secondaire, Blaydes est champion de l'État en lutte, avec une fiche de 44 victoires, 0 défaites. Il obtient ensuite un titre national au collège préuniversitaire avant d'explorer les avenues que le sport lui offre.
One of my buddies I wrestled with, him and his father, they were like, we can get you an amateur fight.
Immédiatement, Blaydes s'avère naturel dans les arts martiaux mixtes et connaît beaucoup de succès.
So I just kept going to more training sessions, meet more people. And I ended up here.
Blaydes devient professionnel en 2014 et obtient 5 victoires par KO technique en autant de combats avant de se rendre en Croatie pour ses débuts dans l'UFC contre un dangereux espoir.
Nicely done. Big counter left by Francis Ngannou. Just driving right through.
Le combat difficile contre un éventuel aspirant au titre pousse le combattant natif de Chicago à amener sa carrière au niveau supérieur.
Had I beat him, I probably wouldn't have left Chicago. It wouldn't have been a reason to. I'm like, I just beat Ngannou. Him beating me was like, yo, you ain't gonna beat nobody else good like this. Doing what you're doing, here you gotta leave.
Blaydes se met donc en quête d'un entraînement de haut niveau et le trouve à Denver, au Colorado. Cette ville regorge d'excellents combattants, dont celui ayant aidé Blaydes à acquérir son jeu de pied, Neil Magny, qui figure dans le top 10 des mi-moyens de l'UFC.
Neil's a natural leader. As soon as I walked into the gym, he introduced himself, introduced the coaches. He was just very welcoming.
Ready, go!
I mean, when first we were from Chicago, I mean, he didn't have many options. The fact that we were able to, like, give him a place to stay, start giving him the training, things like that, I feel like we all worked together to get him to where he's at now. And that's part of the reason why he continues to stay and continue to be successful.
S'entraîner avec des talents de haut niveau de l'UFC a des effets immédiats dans l'octogone, où Blaydes n'a pas perdu depuis son premier combat dans l'organisation contre Francis Ngannou.
Oh! Wow!
Man, look how strong this guy is. Picks Milstead up like he's nothing. Curtis Blaydes is so fast.
Curtis Blaydes by TKO. Blaydes flattens Milstead across the octagon once again.
Blaydes is a young, exciting heavyweight.
Curtis Blaydes, a man on a mission tonight.
Oh, again, takedown. Woo! Blaydes.
Just remarkable how some of these young athletes make improvements over 18 months or so. I mean, Curtis Blaydes looks like a totally different striker.
Well, he's just an outstanding athlete. I mean, look at the horsepower that guy's carrying in his legs.
Oh!
Oh, Curtis cracked him! Oh! He's hurting him!
Oh! Blaydes again. We'll see if Oleinik can survive to the final horn.
I definitely seen being around the sport for a while. I mean, he's gone against guys like Ngannou who take the best shots they have to offer, and the guy's still standing. He can be a force to reckon with the UFC for years to come.
Le prochain adversaire de Blaydes est l'un des experts du KO les plus médaillés de l'histoire des arts martiaux mixtes. Une légende qui n'oublie pas les débuts turbulents de son parcours dans les sports de combat.
I started running in the streets a lot. I had my first fight in an actual nightclub. 4 days outside the altercation, I was fighting my first Muay Thai fight. Great fighters don't really have nothing much to lose. Coming from nothing, you know, fighting my way to the top here and staying up here, it saved my life, to be honest.
Good.
Le champion néo-zélandais de kickboxing présente toujours des combats électrisants qui peuvent se terminer rapidement. Le préféré des amateurs en Pride entre dans l'octogone.
He is the Super Samoan, Mark Hunt.
Avec les mêmes mains puissantes encensées au Japon.
Oh, wow! Wow! Boy, he knew when he landed that. He just walked away.
There is a new contender in the UFC's heavyweight division. His name is Mark Hunt.
Mark Hunt is improving.
Nice combination there by Mark Hunt. Oh!
He's pretty unique. You know, he's a warrior, and he's down. Like, you know, a lot of people say they're down for a script, but that dude's legit down.
The arena is shaking, and Mark Hunt is pouring it on. This fight is insane. One of the greatest heavyweight fights. Bigfoot Silva and Mark Hunt, thank you for that performance.
The power that Mark Hunt can generate with his punches is something extraordinary.
L'UFC continue de lui présenter des poids lourds. Que Hunt continue à mettre KO.
With Mark Hunt, you know what you're going to get, and that's knockout power.
Mark's been in the game for a long time. He's still got room to grow, and that's the scary thing.
Son dernier combat a lieu à domicile, en Nouvelle-Zélande, où il affronte un expert du KO en pleine ascension, qui est sur une séquence de 6 victoires.
You know, fighting Derek Lewis just concreted what I already knew about a lot of these fighters.
The Super Samoan stalking Lewis will turn.
So many times he comes out here and reminds us just how special he is.
When it comes down to the hard work, when it comes down to the deep end, you know, they're not willing to go that extra mile.
Mark Hunt taking up. That's it. The Super Samoan wins in front of his home crowd. This man defies nature.
À l'UFC 221, Hunt vise à profiter de l'élan provoqué par sa victoire contre un espoir lors de son combat contre le nouveau membre du top 10 des poids lourds, Curtis Blades.
This kid is solid.
To be in the top end, you've got to be well-rounded. You've got to get through me. He's number 9 for a reason, but he's going to get knocked out.
Bentley likes this part. I let him go down to the edge last time.
Come on, Bentley.
Le poids lourd de l'UFC, Curtis Blades, s'est habitué à tout ce que sa ville d'adoption, Denver au Colorado, lui offre. Il a déménagé ici il y a 2 ans pour s'entraîner au plus haut niveau et se rappelle sa vie à Chicago où il avait moins d'avantages.
I was a wrestling coach at my old high school. I would go to a wrestling practice, and that was my wrestling, and then I would maybe do some jiu-jitsu.
Be free, Bentley.
That was like maybe once a week. It was mostly just about building my stamina and maintaining my weight. I wasn't really perfecting any technique. And right now, this is the best situation I've been in. I'm hoping to keep it that way.
Blades fait maintenant partie de la Elevation Fight Team de Denver qui offre tout ce dont a besoin un combattant du top 10 de l'UFC pour atteindre son plein potentiel.
I chose to join Team Elevation because of chemistry and the camaraderie. Like, it feels like a family, but also it makes me feel more confident now that I have resources.
Let's go! Everybody wrap up!
I have a conditioning program here. I have a striking coach here.
Want a few rounds with Andrew for sure. Right, Andrew for sure. We picking and we pulling. Right? Stay light so you don't hurt nobody.
I gotta go get those 18 ounces.
We gotta buy special gloves for this animal.
Everyone's on the cage.
The Elevation Fight Team, our goal is to build well-rounded fighters. You know, Elliot Marshall is the head coach, and Elliot, you know, years of experience in jiu-jitsu and in fighting and in the UFC.
Curtis is going to Australia, so no one's cheering for Curtis right now.
You have striking coach Vinny Lopez.
Get light on those feet. Show me something. Way to move, baby. Love it.
My specialty is the ground game.
Level changes. Yes, yeah.
Just a good group of coaches that really care about these guys.
Time. Good job.
Good work, Curtis.
L'équipe est entièrement axée sur son meilleur poids lourd.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Alors que Blade se prépare au plus gros combat de sa vie.
Let's go, work.
Une victoire contre Mark Hunt à l'UFC 221 le rapprochera de son objectif ultime.
Let's go, Curtis. Come on, man.
I see that spark in my passion, the agony and the challenge to find the balance within your hustle that you cannot manage. Like
oh, there it was. Nice level change. Once you enter that top 10, it's time to make it happen. It's time to become a star. He has the athleticism and all the ability to do it.
Those legs up. Get some range. Get some range. Use your feet and get some range.
He stays focused and he stays dedicated like he has been. I believe he's going to be a champion.
Nice double.
I win this fight. I think we're right there.
30 seconds, keep working, Curtis.
I'm expecting this year to be fighting for the belt.
Mark Hunt, we're coming for you, baby. We do this together. Each individual gets in the cage, but this is done as a team together. Okay? Elevation on 3. 1, 2, 3. Elevation. All right, good work, fellas.
La vie d'un combattant professionnel de calibre mondial exige un niveau d'engagement qui oblige souvent les déplacements. Pour Mark Hunt, cela veut dire un court vol entre sa maison de Sydney et la Gold Coast, dans le Queensland.
It's a paradise life here, you know, in the marquee. Come up for get away from the family, get away of the routine, for just focus in the fight. And it's a good camp training here.
Morning, how are you, brother? Happy New Year. Yeah.
Happy New Year.
How's it?
It's good New Year.
La ville en bord de mer offre une multitude de partenaires d'entraînement talentueux, y compris les combattants les plus connus d'Australie et de Nouvelle-Zélande, tant de la nouvelle que de l'ancienne génération.
All right, guys, let's attack the upper body first.
D'anciens combattants de l'UFC, comme Dylan Andrews.
And Quinlan goes down. Dylan Andrews piling on. Fight's over. Dylan Andrews.
Et James Tuhuna.
James Tuhuna, victorious.
N'auraient peut-être jamais réalisé leur rêve dans le combat.
Yeah, keep tight, Mike. Keep tight. That's it.
Sans l'influence de Mark Hunt.
Palma, yes.
Mark is always just very easy to get along with, and he's not selfish with his knowledge.
Nice, Mike. That's it.
It was me following Jamie, Jamie following Mark, and it sort of just branched down, you know? It was like each generation was giving hope to the next one.
Le dernier Australien à obtenir les conseils de Hunt
Big power by Tai Tuivasa.
est un poids lourd prometteur de l'UFC. Le combattant invaincu de 24 ans, Tai Tuivasa.
I always looked up to Mark Hunt, and to finally meet him and be around guys who've been there and done it.
Oh, but yes, this side of pushing him down.
It's awesome. It gives me upper hand.
There's no egos here. As you can tell, we're all down to it. We just need to get our work done. Guys are striving to come where I am, and in the end, we all got one goal and one focus.
Nice, man.
La prochaine tâche de l'équipe est de gagner à l'UFC 221. Sur la carte principale, Tuivasa cherche à demeurer invaincu. Et Mark Hunt vise à ne faire qu'une bouchée de Curtis Blades. Le poids lourd du top 10 de l'UFC, Curtis Blades, progresse de manière fulgurante depuis son entrée dans la plus grande organisation d'arts martiaux mixtes au monde.
Just open stuff.
Notamment grâce au soutien de sa copine, Alex, qui découvre rapidement un domaine de sa préparation où elle peut l'aider.
She gonna make it all fancy. Don't make it fancy.
This is what I use every time, but you wouldn't know because while I'm cooking, you're playing video games. When he tried to cook for me, it wasn't that good. I mean, it was a sweet gesture, but it wasn't like the most tasty thing ever. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna stick to cooking around here. He likes his steak so well done to the point to where it's chewy. It's so gross, but hey, he likes it. He likes it, I love it. I've seen like a huge difference when I started making like better food for him. I like the nice, sexy toned back better though, you know?
I'm sure you do.
His energy has changed. He can do a lot more.
Oh, I guess this is the before and after.
Yeah, this is the before and after of Curtis. You see the fat around there? You see all of that, and then that's his last fight. You see that? He wants to eat better now. He wants to work out harder. He wants to be a better fighter every day, and I can totally see the progress.
Ta-da!
Okay, just all right.
Ta-da!
Un régime amélioré fait partie du changement complet de mode de vie ayant amené Blaydes à la demi-finale de l'UFC 221.
Thank you.
À son arrivée dans l'UFC, le lutteur naturel modifie son entraînement et se concentre sur son jeu debout.
What's our focus? Our feet, our movement, our range. Touch, not get touched, right? Jab, pull, 1, 2.
L'entraîneur de coups portés, Vinny Lopez, est témoin de sa transformation rapide d'étoile montante en athlète de calibre international.
Double shift. His striking gets better and better with each fight, and it's fun to see him play with his new toys every time he gets in there. Time. We have youth, we have athleticism, we have size, we have length. We're going to put all those tools into play because we're going to need every single one of them to beat Mark.
This is a big fight. He's a pioneer for combat sports.
Mark Hunt with that power and timing, he's been doing it so long.
The fights he's put on.
And now Bigfoot putting his hands together. Hunt with a huge counter.
The damage he's put on people. He's a warrior.
Quand l'expert en KO légendaire Mark Hunt sera devant Blaydes à Perth, en Australie, Blaydes devra exceller. Le Super Samoan a mis fin à ses 6 derniers combats par KO. Et il en voudra un 7e.
I may not be Mark Hunt, but I've got heavy hands too. And I can smell blood. I know when it's time to finish.
In and out all day. You're an athlete. Elite athlete. Top-level athlete.
He's excellent in conserving his energy. He's very smart with how he fights. He can gas himself out.
Pour le favori local, Mark Hunt, cela marque une autre étape dans son parcours bien rempli dans les arts martiaux. Mais même en fin de carrière, l'ancien aspirant au titre de l'UFC cherche à en faire encore plus.
Push your body, push your body, push your body.
I'm always improving. I always feel like I'm improving. I've done a lot of my career on 80% mentality, not training properly. So I'm going to do the rest of it training properly.
Any opening you give this man, that right hand will knock you unconscious.
You got the devil inside you. You set the church on fire.
Alfred's Halo's over the head.
This man defies nature.
I'm just looking forward to finishing my career the best I can.
He is here to prove he is still the best fighter in the world.
I still feel like I got a lot more to write in the books of history of fighting, and the UFC 221 is going to move my legacy one more step closer to another title shot.
This is what Mark Hunt looks like when he's fit. He's just a big, dangerous man.
La soirée se terminera par un combat pour le titre par intérim des poids moyens. Ainsi, l'ancien champion Luke Rockhold affrontera Yoel Romero pour obtenir un combat contre le champion incontesté Robert Whittaker.
Why not be now? Why not be Australia? Why not give the fans a show?
That is an extremely dangerous man.
La gente va a tener las manos puestas en la cabeza.
Un champion s'établira et un aspirant émergera dans l'octogone à Perth, en Australie.
Devil inside you.